Now let us do a solved example. Now in a region, potential energy of a particle of mass 4 kg depends on the x coordinate, as this function u equals to 5x cube plus 4x plus 7 joules, and we have to find the acceleration of the particle at position 2, 4. Now here it is explicitly written that the potential energy of the particle depends on the x coordinate only. So that means this formula that we studied, this will be required. Here is a minus sign which says that the potential energy is decreasing, but in the question there is nowhere written whether the potential energy is decreasing or increasing. We have no way to know this, so that means we will remove the minus sign and we will use the modulus value, the magnitude of the force. We are going to ignore the direction of force by removing the minus sign because we have no clue here. So force, as we know, it is du by dx, so we can say that force will be equal to differentiation of this with respect to x, as it depends on x coordinate only, so it will be 15x square plus 4. Now we have to find the acceleration of particle at position 2, 4. Now since it depends on x coordinate only, so only 2, this coordinate is important for us. We are going to ignore the y coordinate, so if we put 2 here, then it will be 4, 15, 4, 64, so it will be 64 Newton. And we have to find the acceleration. We know that by second law of Newton, acceleration is force upon mass, so it will be 64 upon 4, so this will come out to be 16 meter per second squared, and this will be the answer of your question. Remember this, minus sign is used only when we know that potential energy is decreasing. Here we did not know, so we are using the magnitude only the mod value of the force.